Hello guys, I'm Judy from EagerLED. When we apply this LED screen, we will encounter some problem, right? And the LED screen will normally use this at the beginning. However, after lift for the period of time, it will happen sparkling, entertainment light, and dark light, and faults, and so on. Okay, it will causing a lot of damage to the products. Therefore, LED screen need to pass the agent testing during the production. The agent test of LED display is linking the display production testing, and an important guarantee for the quality of LED display products. The product can improve its efficiency after aging, and it conductive to stable efficiency in later use. This is used to improve products' reliability. The agent of LED display screen divided into 72 hours agent testing. White balance agent 2 by 24 hours and the video agent 24 hours to improve the reliability of the LED display and ensure that the LED module does not break the light. LED display agent testing contact. White screen, bright, green, blue, monochrome, grayscale, gradient, video effects. Someone must be on duty during the display agent test, and if any problems are found, they must be reported to the engineering department manager for processing. Agent test is very important guarantee for reliability of LED display, and it is an important part of a product agent test. LED products can improve their performance after aging and help stabilize their performance in later use. Above is the reason for the agent testing introduced to you. I hope it will be helpful to you. Remember to give me likes and subscribe me. Bye bye, see you next time.